Everyone, it's Sam here. I don't know if you can hear me, the two shows a little bit noisy. It's Saturday the 1st of July, it's pretty windy here in Auckland, gusting 20 knots, probably 20 knots, gusting 30 knots. I've just launched from Golf Harbour Marina. I'm heading out to fish the shallows. I'm going to try on the mainland side of Whangaparaoa Peninsula, and then if that doesn't produce, I might shoot over to Terry and try the back of Terry. Well, the winds are westerly, so there's plenty of shadow out here. At the moment it's about 4:30, so the sun's just setting. Hopefully we'll be in for a wicked strandline session. I'm pretty keen to get on with a few big ones, so there's hoping. Alright, tune in soon for a bit of the action. The bait today is we've got a 5 kilo box of premium pilchards from Top Catch, and also a 6 kilo depth charger from Top Catch. We're going to park really shallow, probably fish about 5 meters of water tonight. Hopefully the big fish come in. So yeah, it's high tide now, and we'll fish the outgo. It's a westerly wind, so it's super calm in here. It's looking bloody good, really. Things are looking good. Okay, it might seem a bit grim, but that's the trevally I just caught. I've just chopped its head off, and that's going to be a snapper bait. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's a beautiful trev for sashimi. It's maybe 35 centimeters long. I'm going to bleed this one out, gut it, and put it on ice. Awesome. Such a beautiful fish. Oh, missed it. Oh, what is that one? Maybe a snapper right on the surface that time. That one's a trev. Oh, and I got him too. Whoa! How epic is that? Man, they fight hard. Another nice sized trev. Alright, the big boys are here, I'm sure of it. That was a huge hit. A huge hit on a big chunk of bait. Let's see what happens here. Right, the way the fishing is, I'm going to be going home soon, so we might as well have a coffee. Who would have a pure fishing cup? Look at that. Nothing like a warm coffee on a cold winter's night. Oh yeah, a 20 pound set pulls through again. This is not as big as the last one, but a snapper. Let this one go. Be 30 odd centimeters, but oh, it's a big fish. Yeah, this is a good one. Yes, on the heavy set too, which is mean. Oh, fishing out here is so hard. I fucking love this. Oh, sorry about swearing. I love this. It's probably my favourite thing to do. Tough, scrappy fish. It's be over 10 pounds easy, this fish. Probably bigger. Should have set the net up, haven't done that yet. Too busy bloody making coffees. Oh, probably over 10 pounds, I don't know exactly the size of it. But just fishing the shallows of Whangaparaoa. It's actually firing tonight. I think this is my 4th or 5th good sized fish. Epic.
Oh well, time to catch another one.
Oh yeah, boy, here we go. This is the one. Whoa. This is a snapper, it's a 20 pounder. Easy. This is huge. This is up. Oh no. Just pulled it.
Oh, there you have it. It's 8:45 now. I kept 5 snapper. Biggest probably just over 10 pounds. And I also kept 5 trees. So yeah, pretty successful outing. I must be on the water at 4:30, so whatever 4:30 to 8:45 is. I let quite a few smaller fish go as well. Just finished filleting up. So yeah, awesome. Oh well, I'll see you once I'm back on land. Back on dry land. Just going to stop at Wash Wheel, give the boat a quick clean. Another awesome trip done and dusted.